Hey everyone, welcome to Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings, and you can see this is our home garage, and we gross about $30,000 here a month. You can see we have dehumidifier, a whole tool chest, fridge, tools, wheel cleaning stand, and we do PPF here, ceramic coatings, and paint correction. We have a lot of lighting. Powered by 8 or 9 scan grips, depending upon if we want the one on the floor, and several 100,000 lumens of shop lighting and floodlights. And we have an air purifier up here for PPF installs, and an HVAC system, which is an 18,000 BTU with heater and cooler. It stays nice and cool or warm, depending upon what you want. And everything in the shop is controlled by Alexa. So what we can do here is we can go into the shop lights, and we can turn off all of the non-scan grip lights. And so now we're left with all the scan grips. I'll just shut the door here so we can see. So you can see what we have here. So we have 8 scan grips simulating daylight for paint correction or to provide a little bit of added lighting. And then this is kind of our everything lighting, and this will give you a darn near a suntan, and this amount of lighting alone will actually warm up the room on its own. So we have everything is controlled by iPads. This is where we listen to music. It's controlled by that. And we have plugs here. I got 2 iPads just because I'm lazy and I don't want to switch. So all the lighting is here. And then all of the things like the compressor, the hot water heater, which is for PPF. Our pressure washer is connected. The shop fans are connected. You can see how that goes. And then the air purifier is also on it actually runs. The air purifier is the IR, and we have a device up there that sends a signal to it. And you can see our Bose sound bar up there. That's where the music comes out. It's automatically connected. And so we'll just go ahead and turn these off. And we have a dehumidifier that runs pretty much 24/7. And then, like I said, this will AirPlay to our Bose soundbar. So here we have all of our flex cordless polishers and our cordless polisher station. This is our little PPF demo where the little mini hood heats up. And then, we have all of our auto fiber towels and goodies in these various containers. All of our polishing pads sorted by size type, painter's tape, and everything else. And of course, if you work here, you get the free energy drinks. And you can see our dehumidifier here with the vacuum cleaner. The other thing that I love is my reel system. So I have 2 Tornador style guns. You can see them over here. And then I have a 5 PPF sprayer system. And you can see there's basically one at every corner of the car, plus the front. And that is actually powered inside of here. And that is actually powered inside here. And you can see the thing to fill up our air tank and the line that runs out. And that line runs up there and splits into all of these sprayer systems. And then our plugs are also from the ceiling. So all this is super convenient. I like to keep everything off the ground, no tripping hazards, although my videographer trips over literally everything. We have a lot of our chemicals and stuff here. We have our going away packages falling out. Our going away packages mainly made up of auto fiber products from here. And then all of these, that looks like a mess, but these are actually all on their own circuit so that nothing trips. Everything has its own circuit. And you can see we have our compressor in here with sound deadening material. You can't hear anything. And then those lines, they run out and they're spread out throughout the shop. So that's Harker Heights ceramic coatings. You see we got a TV up there too. And if I'm not mistaken, and we'll see because this is a bit of a newer automation for me, but what should happen is I should hit the doorbell. I have a shop doorbell and it announces it throughout the house that somebody's at the shop doorbell, but in theory this should play up on the TV. I guess we'll see if it works. Oh, okay, good. So it is turning on. Now let's see if it actually works. Now, of course, during the day, this is on.
Okay.
We don't want a feedback loop here. I'm going to shut this off. So you can see how that goes to my TV so we can see who's outside if we're in the middle of working. And yeah, so again, that's Harker Heights ceramic coatings. You can see we got our Grand Falls pressure washer and Adams spot freeze system outside here with our HVAC. And we're powered by 55 solar panels, which is a total of 22.14 kilowatt. Let's see if you can see it. You might not be able to see it. You can kind of see it. You can kind of see our solar system here, our solar panel system. And up in that room up there is our plotter for PPF. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed that little tour. Enjoy.